Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Now in today's video I am at my farm where I plant cauliflower, and this is the cauliflower, that one right there. And then I have sweet pepper. That's a sweet pepper, it's at blossoming stage, ready to put on sweet pepper on it. And the cauliflower start roll as well. Let me just find one that's rolling. This is what cauliflower looks like. And that's the black tanker that I have drip up to run water into the main. And this is the main that run water into the drip hose. And that's a 2-foot drip hose. Now let me show you how I connect the black drum to the main to get the water running. And I also have some broccoli as well. So this is the broccoli. So let me just show you. Alright, this is the black tanker. As you can see, it's 400 gallons. It is connected using PCV pipe running down. That's the filter right there to filter out any unwanted thing from caulking up the drip hose. And that is the main. This is the lock off for the mains. So whenever I want water to water the ground, I just turn that red top thing right there, so, and the water runs straight into the main, to the bottom, right down there. Yeah. And then water will drip into those little 2-foot drip hose. And I carry it all the way down there. I grew up watching my mom farming, and I always like it, so whenever I get the chance I always try and do a little thing for myself. So yes guys, I can use a machete and I can use a hoe, and this dripping is actually my handwork. Yes, I do all that with the help of my brother. So yeah, that's basically what I do on a day-to-day basis. Oh, I forget guys, this is my garden bean. As you can see right there, just a little bit, not much. That's the garden bean right there. The best thing you can plant in Jamaica is vegetable, to be exact, because people always want vegetable. People always want vegetable. You can't have enough vegetable. So we're staring on about 1,800 to 2,000 holes of cauliflower and broccoli. And then we have about fairly about 1,800 sweet pepper as well, and a few garden beans. Yes, I'll come back with more info and let you know when it's ready. So that'll be in my next vlog. I'll show you how the cauliflower head improve and how they get bigger over time. Now guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Until the next.